In this video, we will show you how to sign into VMS Pro with the iCSee mobile app and sync the cameras already connected to your account. First, double-click the VMS Pro icon to open the software on your computer. On the login screen, select QR code login. Then select your country or region. Next, open the iCSee app on your phone. On the My Device page, tap the plus button in the upper right corner. Then tap Scan. Use your phone to scan the login QR code on the computer. When the login confirmation appears in the iCSee app, confirm the login. Wait for VMS Pro to sign in. After the software opens, click Monitor on the home page. Cameras connected to your iCSee mobile account will appear in the devices list on the right. Double-click a camera in the list to open its live video. At the bottom of the screen, you can select how many camera channels you want to display. In this video, we only have one camera, so we select the single view layout. For cameras that support pan, tilt, or zoom, use the PTZ device panel in the lower right corner to adjust the camera's direction.